Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Sault Ste. Marie, local and long-distance movers near me. Customers in Sault Ste. Marie, Canada can count on 3 Movers for an inexpensive, high-quality, local, and long-distance moving service. In Canada, movers are required to measure the weight of your items on the truck. This way, you get a price estimate that includes the total per-pound weight of your items. In addition, you should get an on-site inspection. Don't accept it to get it waived, as it's the best way to get an accurate price estimate. Packaging your belongings before your local move begins is a fantastic approach to save time and costs on the move as a whole. It's preferable to cut labor costs whenever possible. The best way to obtain the most accurate price for movers in Sault Ste. Marie, Canada is to contact a professional moving company directly for a customized quote. 3 Movers will give you a customized quote that includes every charge in it. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sault Ste. Marie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.